What is AOE?
Glad you asked, Jack. Hi, I'm Cindy, and Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, AOE, is just an amazing online platform to sell products on Amazon.
Why did you join?
Well, Dad and I joined because back in October last year, so nearly 9 months ago, we were actually thinking there's got to be a better way. We've got a business. I've actually got a job which is just over broke, and we thought we've got to work smarter. We're not going to work harder. We're going to use more time and energy into making money while we sleep. And so building an Amazon business using the finesse of what Neil has taught us is just amazing with these modules and how to do things.
What have you learnt so far?
Oh my God, so many things we've learnt. How to source a product, how to market that product, but actually how to negotiate and how to bring that product from overseas into Australia. The do's and the don'ts, how to actually speak their language all the time and what to expect while you're waiting for that product to come to Australia, and all the things that you need to do in the back end to make your product a success on Amazon.
Would you recommend AOE to others?
Oh my goodness, absolutely. We joined for $1 $1. And that $1, we Googled way back then into how we can actually start this business, and we saw the wonderful Neil-Asher from AOE, and we actually looked through all the modules and got really, really excited. But for $1 for a trial for 1 month, you can't lose. So my recommendation is to have a look at this website and join for $1. There will be a link below and it will actually have how to join, but I highly recommend you join because you're going to be learning so much and you're going to get your freedom back. Great. See you then.